Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Holy Shib, just noticed a huge Shiba Inu purchase signal. On the weekly chart, Shiba Inu just established a double bottom pattern, indicating an impending trend reversal. Despite sporadic advances seen in the larger crypto market over the past month, Shiba Inu has continued to consolidate. This consolidation phase, however, might come to an end, according to analysts who predicted that the asset would soon break out from its current KG condition. CryptoRand, a well-known cryptocurrency trader and investor, brought attention to a Shiba Inu pattern shown on the daily chart. Aware of Shib is trying to break out, we'll discuss the large Shiba Inu buy signal that was recently reported on Shib News in this video. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, please share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shib has repeatedly dropped into a descending wedge on the chart, which is visible. The graph demonstrates how its price soars every time Shib touches the base of the falling wedge. This happened in October 2022, and before the drop brought on by FTX the following month, the price reached a peak of $0.1488. The asset reached a high of $0.1527 on February 5th, after Shib also reached the bottom of the wedge in December 2022. The asset has again sunk to the bottom of the wedge this year. CryptoRand is certain that a rally will be held again after past events. Additionally, Shib Knight, a prominent trader and influencer in the Shiba Inu community, drew attention to a persistent accumulation pattern seen with the asset at the 0.90 cent zone that hinted at a forthcoming breakout. Shib also seems to have created a double bottom pattern on the weekly period, with resistance at the $0.714 price level. When the price of an asset drops to a specific level, bounces back up, drops again to the same level as the initial drop, and then rises once more, this is known as a double bottom pattern. The price has found support at a particular level twice, indicating that buyers are eager to purchase the asset at that price, which is why the double bottom pattern is seen as bullish. The double bottom pattern is confirmed and might signal a breakout if the price moves above the neckline of the pattern. Despite the consolidation, whales on the Ethereum blockchain continue to embrace Shiba Inu as a holding. Shiba Inu is the token that these investors trade the most frequently, according to a recent survey of the top whales on Ethereum. Furthermore, in terms of its value in the US, Shib is the deep-pocketed investor's single largest asset. Despite the continuation of social interaction and token burns, optimistic attitudes are still common. Additionally, according to data from the TradingView, the majority of the asset's technical indicators are optimistic. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that was introduced in August 2020 and was inspired by memes. Early in 2021, as the value of other meme tokens like Dogecoin soared, it began to acquire prominence. Shib is the native token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which also includes the decentralized exchange Shibaswap and the upcoming Shibarium, which seeks to provide blockchain-based NFT gaming and virtual properties. Just hours before the launch of Shibarium, the alleged Shib whale made a passive buy of 6.67 billion tokens, which were then worth approximately $50 million. This action generated controversy in the Shib community and the wider cryptocurrency market since it implied insider information or deliberate planning on the part of the whale. Crypto fans have expressed both enthusiasm and skepticism in response to the Shib whale's activity. While some view the whale's actions as a demonstration of their belief in the token's future, others are concerned about the market impact of such significant players and the possibility of market manipulation. Although the whale's specific approach is unknown, their amassing of rank could indicate portfolio diversification or a shift in attention to attractive DeFi initiatives. As with any investment, there are risks, but the whale's actions may also draw more attention to Shib, bringing with them the possibility of more investors and an increase in value. Shiba Inus have been extremely well-liked recently, in great part because of the support of celebrities and social media influencers. The Deutsche Coin Killer is an ERC-20 coin that was developed as a tribute to the Shiba Inu dog breed. Shiba Inu has a sizable following despite having no practical function or use case, and even the attention of some of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. A relatively new token called Shiba Inu has taken the cryptocurrency world by storm. Due to its inexpensive cost and promotion that was inspired by memes, it gained popularity quickly. The trading volume for the cryptocurrency has greatly increased recently as more and more investors rush to purchase it. Shib has had a more than 2,000% increase in trading volume during the past month, with the token reaching a high of $0.114. Compared to its initial price of $0.1, this is a huge gain. The ETH whales are thought to have purchased a sizable number of Shib tokens, which is what caused the unexpected spike in demand. Despite the increase in trading activity, some industry experts caution that the value of Shib at this time is mostly speculative and could experience major price swings. The launch of Shib the Metaverse, a project that will increase the environment of the Shiba Inu, is anticipated for December of this year. Shiba Inus, according to a Monday update from the creators. The MV team is optimistic that by the end of 2023, users will have the chance to explore some of the regions in this beautiful world and construct, design, play, and develop with it, developers stated on Monday. While all development takes time, they said that they are convinced this will be the case. The creator stated that while the metaverse is still a work in progress, not all of its components will be finished. Users will be able to coin 100,595 parcels of land in Shib the Metaverse. With the help of their plots, landowners can gather materials for the game and earn rewards. The creators also have plans to give gamers a method to make money and give them a private location in which to design and manage their projects. Users can construct humanoid dog-shaped avatars in the metaverse to explore, visit, interact with, and contribute to the game's economy. Shibarium, a forthcoming Layer 2 network that makes use of Bone and other Shiba ecosystem currencies, will be the home of the metaverse. Twitter's top has changed. Elon Musk claims that his Shiba Inu companion, Fiki, is now in charge of the dominant social media platform. The eccentric assertion was made by the billionaire in a spur-of-the-moment interview with the BBC on Tuesday night. Later, he made up a photo of Floki at a desk in front of a contract that was signed with a paw print and posted it on Twitter. Musk acknowledged that the 6 months following his £38 billion acquisition of Twitter had been up and down, with him aggressively slashing costs and firing 80% of the workforce to balance the books. He frequently denies accusations that he used hate speech to spread misinformation and has replied to detractors online by making fun of them. However, the richest man in the world asserted that Floki had taken over as boss. He reportedly informed Clayton that he wasn't the CEO of Twitter when he called him that. "The CEO of Twitter is my dog. He's a fantastic dog, very watchful, and difficult to maneuver around." It's accepted that the joke started. Musk claimed he had installed Floki as boss after a user poll he conducted in December asking people if they thought he should step down as CEO. He posted a tweet the day before that featured a dog sitting behind a desk in an office, wearing a black turtleneck with the word CEO embroidered on the breast. It was captioned, "The new Twitter CEO is great." He changed Twitter's bird emblem last week to a picture of Floki. Musk addressed the Twitter controversies in his interview, referring to the BBC's main account as government-funded media, and said that he was aware the organization was not pleased with the label. He declared that the label will receive public funding and that he had a great deal of respect for the broadcaster. Self-described workaholic, Musk acknowledged that he occasionally sleeps on a sofa in the working brewery at Twitter's San Francisco headquarters. He said that the company was currently only breaking even and may soon return to profitability, and that he would be open to selling to the right buyer. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.